take you there, back to when we felt like this was forever.
What's up, you guys? It's Randy, aka Naturally Fearless, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be talking to you guys about some changes that I have made in my wash day routine that have definitely helped my scalp care. I always tell you guys that I have dry, flaky, itchy scalp, but I noticed that when I started doing these things and eliminating some products, that I started to see a huge change in my scalp care. So let's hop right into it. We're gonna start off with my shampoo regimen. I have two shampoos that I use now on a consistent basis. I kind of like alternate between these two shampoos, and I noticed that using these two shampoos, I have seen a drastic change in my scalp care, you guys. Like, phenomenal. The Head and Shoulders Royal Oils Moisture Boost Shampoo. Ever since I started using this, y'all, I can like instantly feel a change as soon as this shampoo gets onto my scalp. And I tell you guys, I am a natural that shampoos my hair twice because it just works for me to make sure my hair is thoroughly moisturized. Amazing. I absolutely love it. It doesn't strip my hair like the other, I have used other Head and Shoulders shampoos before, but this one does not strip my hair, and I can feel the tingle in my scalp, and it feels amazing. So this shampoo it has coconut oil in it, and it's supposed to clean and hydrate the hair and scalp for long lasting scalp relief, y'all. And when I tell y'all this stuff works, it definitely works. The other shampoo that I have been using is the Melanin Hair Care African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo. Now this stuff a little bit goes a long way for me, and I love the fact that it has this nozzle here so it gets directly onto my scalp. Now this one, it does kind of strip my hair a bit more than the Royal Oils shampoo does, but I love this black soap shampoo, y'all. Like, when I say it is the truth, it is the truth, and you can feel the tingle in your scalp as soon as you start to get in work in there. Has tea tree oil in it, soothing turmeric, and black cumin seeds. You guys, y'all know, if you have been a long time watcher of my channel, I stand for some melanin hair care, and I love this shampoo, y'all. So if you have not tried it, I definitely recommend that you do. But like I said, it does, you might get that stripping sensation onto your hair, but once you go into the rest of your moisture routine, it's like your hair wasn't even stripped. It definitely does leave your hair thoroughly cleansed, and it smells amazing. It has more of a watery, it's a little bit more watery than your other black soaps would be, but it works. A little bit goes a long way. Now, as far as my deep conditioning goes, I have started to incorporate the Royal Oils Deep Moisture Mask. I use this mask every other week, so I'll alternate it. I'll use this mask and then I'll use a different deep conditioner the following week. But I've been using this mask since last year, since like over quarantine, when I had it in my stash, and I just continue to use it. This is like my number. I don't even know what number I'm on as far as repurchasing this mask, but I absolutely love this mask. It definitely gets that tingle right onto your scalp, and it does not strip my hair. It works. Y'all, it has been doing wonders for my scalp. I noticed using this on a consistent basis has definitely been helping out my scalp. At first, I was using it kind of sparingly, but adding it into like that every other week deep conditioning routine, ultimate game changer. Now, as far as my styling process goes, you guys know I use different products because I'm always reviewing different hair products for you guys. So my stylers definitely change on a consistent basis. I haven't been using like the same stylers over and over and over again, but I have noticed that the two products that I have completely like cut out of my routine, ever since I cut these two products out of my routine, I haven't used these products in a couple months. I can't even remember the last time I've used these products, but this, I believe, has been another reason why my scalp care has definitely changed. I cut these products out before I changed my shampoos and my deep conditioning regimen. I cut these products out first just to see, and I believe that they were definitely like a culprit of what was going on with my scalp. But I cut out Wetline Extreme and Eco Styler gel, you guys. Like, as you can see, these jars are basically full. Like, this hasn't even been opened yet. I have like 4 Eco Stylers on my shelf right now that has not been opened. So after I had my daughters, I noticed that I started to get a lot more flaking and itching. Like, it was itching like intensely, and I kept trying to figure out what it was that, you know, since my hormones and everything changed after having my daughters, what was going on with my scalp. So I was cutting out styling products, but I didn't think that it could possibly be my gels. So once I cut out the Eco and the Wetline, it was like, flakes where? Flakes be gone. I changed out those gels, and I've been using more moisturizing gels. You guys have seen more like Black owned business gels and just more moisturizing gels in general on my channel, and they have definitely come through with the scalp care. So after I cut out the Eco Styler and the Wetline, I was trying to figure out what I could replace those with, and that's when I started trying to look more into more moisturizing gels versus using the Eco and the Wetline Extreme gels. And I have noticed that even though you may think that these gels in particular don't have a very strong hold, I noticed that change the technique of how you use the gels, you can definitely get a long lasting hold. That's why you guys have been seeing me shingle my wash and goes more often, because I notice when I shingle using these moisturizing gels that they give me a great wash and go, and the hold definitely lasts. So am I saying I'm going to completely stop using Eco and Wetline? I'm not exactly sure, but I do know these last, I want to say maybe 7 or 8 months that I have not been using them, that I have seen a definite change in my scalp. So if you guys see Wetline or Eco pop back on my channel every once in a while, don't come at me. Because I am allowed to change my mind. I just got a little cold, you guys. But I think if using them a little bit more sparingly instead of every single wash day, I think that might work out better for me and my scalp. And I definitely don't have a ton of flakes in my hair anymore. I'm not having the dry, itchy, unbearable scalp. So I will continue using this regimen and doing everything that I have been doing now. Also incorporating my DIY oil blend, which you guys see me use on every single wash day before I start using my styling process. This DIY oil blend has also helped with my scalp care because now I use it more on a consistent basis than I did before. So using those 2 shampoos and alternating my deep conditioners with this Royal Oils Deep Moisture Mask and cutting out Eco has worked for me. I'm not sure if it will work for you, but you could definitely try it. If you do have some scalp issues, I would definitely say try out the Head and Shoulders Royal Oils line. It will probably be a game changer for you. And try to start isolating, you know, your products, because it may be something in the products that you are using that are causing allergic reactions, that's what happened to me. That's going to be pretty much it for this video, you guys. I just wanted to share with you guys the routine that I am doing now that has definitely helped my whole scalp improvement. You say bye.
Bye.
That's gonna be it for this video, you guys. If you guys like this video, make sure you go ahead and give me a thumbs up. So give me a thumbs up.
Thumbs up, and it was great.
It really helps me out. And follow me over on my Instagram page at naturally_fearless. And I'll see you guys in my next one.
Hey, Mommy. Good job.
Good job.